Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So we're outside. It's a beautiful day here in North Carolina, and Alanah and I got us a bubble bag in the mail. So you know what that means. That's right, it's Nadine West review time. So if you're new to my channel, hey y'all, how y'all doing? My name is Shakima. I'm a mom of 4. I have 2 growns and 2 not so grown children, 2 girls and 2 boys. I live here and in my house with my 2 littles, and my mom is now staying with us. We also have a fur baby named Gracie. So if you're new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. We are going to be doing a Nadine West review. Nadine West is a clothing subscription company. We review pieces for them every single month. We do not make anything from Nadine West. We get no commissions or kickbacks. We simply get to keep the clothing items that we like for our open and honest review. I've been doing this now for almost a year and a half, maybe longer, and Alanah and I are able to do it together now. She is grown enough where she can wear some of the pieces, and I have shrunk enough that we are kind of around about the same size. So we do share some of the pieces. And it is very fun to do with her. It's kind of our mom-daughter thing, and we just enjoy it. So how Nadine West works, if you head over to their website, which I'll leave a link down below, click on the link, and then you're going to take a personal style survey. It's a very short survey, probably takes 2 or 3 minutes. Once you take the survey, it's just asking you the type of clothing that you like, whether you like vintage styles, whether you like modern styles, whether you like silver jewelry or gold jewelry, those types of things, whether you like pants or dresses or skirts or whatever. Then Nadine West will partner you with a stylist that will style you, and then they will send you a bag of recommended items. Now inside of the bag, you'll have your packing list, you'll have your recommended items, and you'll also have a return shipping label that if for some reason the items do not work for you, you simply put the label, return label, back on the pink bag. You put all the items back in this same exact bag, and you send it right back to the company. You are not charged for any of the items that you do not keep, but we have found great success in a lot of their accessories. We found great success in just about everything that they have sent us. So the very last bag we got was what I would call my Dudley bag. Lots and lots of duds in the bag. For us, probably the very first time where not much of anything was us or fit our bodies well. We have very high hopes for this bag, so let's jump into it. Alrighty, you guys, so here is how the packages come wrapped. They come wrapped in pink tissue paper with the Nadine West signature sticker on the outside. There are what seem to be 3 items in this bundle, and there is there's 3 bundles. Oh my. There seem to be 3 items in this bundle and 3 items in this bundle. So lots of spring type colors, and let's see what we have. Okay, there's quite a few. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tops, 3 bottoms, 1 dress, a pair of earrings, a necklace, and a bracelet. So it sends you a packing slip. This is everything that's in here, and then here's your return address label. If for some reason things don't fit, you take that label, you stick it right on the front of the bag, and then you send the bag back to the company. Remember, you're not charged for anything you don't like or anything that you return. You can always go to your account or your profile and update things. Like I've lost weight, so I had to go in and update my size. It says return anything, insert fashion item in a package, include this slip, put the return label over the current label, secure the package with tape, and then leave us some feedback. And then, so there it is. Texas residents, you do have to add sales tax, but it doesn't say anybody else. Then it also has their website on here, and then where you can follow them on Facebook or Instagram or their social media platforms. Alrighty, you guys, so let's see what we got in the bags this time. Okay, here's a pretty, this is like a mint colored top. Very pretty, size large, very flowy, but very see-through. So you'd have to wear this over something, I'm telling you that right now. because I can see you. Can you see me? But anywho, it is like 3/4 length sleeves, and I have a one-piece black. It's kind of dressy, but sometimes I don't like this cover up I wear with it, so this would work out lovely, and it would still be business casual. It would still be work appropriate. It is a button down with 2 pockets on the front, so that is a pretty one. Okay, next there's a cream colored top. This looks a little bit large. It's kind of the high-low, but it looks large. Like this probably should have come in a medium. I can probably tell you right now that this will be big on me. Unless I was the fan of the one shoulder. You know, you could do the one shoulder with it, which if you're a fan of that, and wear it bigger. But it's a high-low and it's short sleeves. And it's cream colored. So that's pretty. Okay, let's see what this is. Okay, this is a dress. This is a wine colored, burgundy colored dress. Long sleeves. I've had several like this before. The last one I got was that rose gold colored. So it is still long sleeves, and it is warming up here, so I would push the sleeves or bunch them, and then just depending on how long or short this was, I might do white capris underneath with some white Michael Kors sandals that I got at the I got them at a yard sale for $1. Michael Kors yard sale, $1. All right, so let's see what's in this colorful bag or bundle. All right, okay. This is a top. Okay, this has lots of fun colors. It has that peplum bottom. Again, very, very see-through, so you'd have to wear something underneath, but a cami would work fine. And if you had any of these colors, you could just put that cami on, and actually if you like that hanging look, just let the cami hang. I could see wearing this with a pair of nice jeans and a nice pair of heels or pumps. It does have 2 strings in the back that you would tie in a bow or a knot. So that, and that one is smaller than that other top. Okay, here's some bottoms. These are just those workout colored pants, the fun pants I like to call them. I could actually probably see wearing this with a very oversized shirt, maybe even that minty colored, it might be the right color, with a white cami underneath or a blue cami underneath, and that might give you enough coverage that you could wear this out just like a casual running errands type of outfit. Would I wear it to, anywhere other than that? Probably not, but I don't wear these type of pants in many places other than just running errands, casual around the neighborhood. This last piece in this bundle, okay, let's see. Oh, these are fun pants. Some more fun pants. These are flowered pants. They do have a tie in the front. I do like all of the colors, but I would definitely stick to one color on the top to keep my color scheme just on the bottom and kind of have a neutral top. So these are fun pants. They look full length, very thin though. So, you know, be careful with what you can see through or what type of undergarments that you would be comfortable wearing. And the last bundle that I have has another top. Oh, this is a cute one, right? So it's a black top. I'm not real sure about this front situation, but it does have a tie in the back. I'm wondering. No, I thought it might detach, but it doesn't. It's not my favorite, but it might fit better on, because I'm not really sure what this kind of looks bustier to me. That's what I think of when I see those cross patterns. Short sleeve, has like a cross ribbing, and then here is another top that's like an orangey color. Not a big fan of this. Well, I'm a fan of color, so don't let me not say that. But I probably would wear this again with something, a white bottom or linen pants, linen white pants or cream color pants. Short sleeve, definitely getting ready for the spring season. And then here's another bottom. Oh, these are cute. These are rose gold colored pants. So me saying the linen pants, so they're not linen, but they're kind of have that appearance of linen. I love this top, so I definitely wear a tuck shirt. And then this has that tie in the front that I would probably do just a knotted front, a loose knotted front. This does have pockets, so pockets on both sides, and it is full length pants, and that is very pretty. I do like those. For the jewelry pieces, all of your accessories come in the little cute pink drawstring bags. And I'll show you what I got. I got some blue and gold earrings. Oh, 2 pair. Oh no. So it's like a double earring. You get the flowers in the front and then the dangles in the back. So see how that works? So it's like a double earring. Then they gave you, or me, this pretty piece. I always like their hanging pieces. So there's a long chain, and then that's what that looks like. Kind of looks like one of those snowshoes, if I'm thinking of what it would look like. Looks like a snowshoe. And then here is the bracelet, which I love bracelets. I'm a bracelet girl. So we're gonna go try some of these things on and show you what they look like. Okay, everybody, so here's the first outfit. I've got on the cream colored top. It seems to be okay. Looking at it first glance, it seemed to be a little big to me, but it seems okay right now. And then I put on the fun pants. The only thing, and I guess I'd have to just figure this part out, is if I were okay with them just being ankle length, probably have to find a different pair of shoes. I might do like some kid type shoes, because I think they would be really cute that way. They do have pockets. Probably need to lose about 5 more pounds before I would feel comfortable doing a tuck shirt. 5 pounds, maybe 6. 25 would be great. 5 more pounds though. They are a size large, but I think they're cute, and I think with the right type of shoes, they would be awesome. So this is what this outfit looks like. Remember that shirt was the high-low, so it's high in the front and then low in the back. So that gives me the proper coverage here. But I think it's really cute, so let's see what Alanah has for you.
Okay, everybody, this is the second outfit. This blue shirt, it's a really nice shirt. I just put a white cami under it because it is very see-through. And I'm wearing also the fun pants. And these shoes right here, I would suggest having like some white sandals or something, but I don't have any white shoes right now, so these are the best I could do. Mom says I look very beautiful. Also, I like a lot of bows or headbands in my hair, so I'll find a white bow or something to put in my hair. But it's really nice. I love the shirt. It's really comfortable, and we'll see what Mom has next for you.
Alright, everybody, so here is the dress. So remember, I told you it was full length sleeves, but it is getting warm here, so I would definitely wear it 3/4 length sleeves for me. The last dress I had of this style was in a rose gold color, and it was a little bit shorter. This one does come down to my knees, or just past the knees. It is a little bit kind of that high, and you have a little bit of that leg on the side. Does have full pockets, which I do like. Has that V cut in the front. So this is one that I would consider wearing. I would wear it with these shoes I have on now. I would also wear it with white Keds, but I would also wear it with nude colored pumps. So I think this is a very cute one piece. Some days I just don't feel like doing more than a one piece. So this would work out for me on those days when one piece is all I'm trying to do. So here's the outfit.
That will work fine.
And let's see what Alanah has for you.
Okay, everybody, this is the fourth outfit. These pants, this is the same cream shirt, but these are the other fun pants. They're not really my fave, probably because I'm just not that kind of person. I don't really like wearing pants anyways. But it's a very lovely color, and I think they would look great on anybody. They're just not specifically the right kind of pants for me. But they're still very good pants, and we'll show you the next outfit. Okay everybody, this is the 5th outfit. I'm wearing this shirt now with the really fun bottom right here. I love this part. You know, just all the nice designs connected with this plain shirt right here. I think it's very creative. And there's also a tie back here. That's exactly the same as this pair right here. This right here. It's a very lovely shirt. I do think though for me still, it's a little short for me. Just a little bit. I like longer shirts. But this is a really good shirt and I love the way it fits on me. And we'll show you to the last outfit. Okay everybody, this is the last outfit. It is this black shirt with the tie in the front. It's very nice. There's also a tie here in the back. It's a very nice shirt. I like black too because black can go with almost everything. Well, actually black could go with everything. So I paired it with this gray skirt right here and just some ballet flats. Very nice shirt. I love this. This is very interesting, you know. Something very creative, and I love creative things. And this is the end of all the outfits.
Alrighty you guys, so we're just going to wrap up this bag. My neighbor has come out and he is weed eating his yard, so there may be some background noise and I do apologize for that. Out of all of the outfits, you know, I'm always a stickler for the dresses. Really love their dresses. I like the pants that I tried on before. I even liked it with the cream colored shirt that I thought was going to be way too big for me. It ended up being not big at all, fitting just right. With Alanah, she really did enjoy the black top and she enjoyed the peplum top. She also enjoyed the blue fun pants with the mint colored shirt. We thought that looked really nice. The only item that didn't fit either of us quite right was the rose gold colored pants, and that's just because I think if we lost about 5 more pounds, it would fit a little bit better. So it was true to size, a large. We probably needed an extra large in that material, not a lot of give. So anywho, not to compete with the weed eater, we're gonna call it a end to the review. If you haven't tried Nadine West, click the description. Click the link in the description box below. Give it a try. You never know until you try it whether it will work or not. So thank you so much for stopping by, and we'll see you next review bag. Bye now.